Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm making a big mess of everything, but I really want to try and do a reverse flower dip today. So we're going for some puddles. Let's torch it just. Okay, and let's spray my paper napkin with some water. Here. There. Softly pat it in place. You want it touching everywhere. Okay. Okay. Get the corners. This side. Let's just spin it. Okay. Let's give it a big spin. Really don't like the center. Well, I guess this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Show you the dry results. Bye guys!